Besides sending emails and text messages to jurors as part of an outbound call batch, you can send emails and texts to individual jurors without having to schedule an outbound message batch with a specific pre-recorded or ad hoc message. You may find this helpful to do in Appear rather than using your personal email, so it's stored along with your jurors' other contact information within Appear. You will also find sending text messages directly from Appear is easy and seamless rather than texting from your personal cell phone. Let's walk through how you send personal emails and text messages. We're going to start by logging in. To send a personal email, first go to the Juror tab and locate the juror. Let's type in the last name of Becker. Here we see that we have several Beckers, but we're going to go ahead and choose Melanie. And then we're going to click on the Emails subtab. This top panel describes basic information about the juror, and the bottom panel has fields for composing and sending the email. If your juror's email address is on file, Appear will automatically display it in the email address field. Monica's address just so happens to be support@voicemetrics.com. How about that? It also defaults to the no reply email address. You can modify the address to use your own. You can add a subject and compose your message here in the message box. I'm going to go ahead and just copy and paste from a document that I already created for the sake of time. And what we can do is we can click on this spell check button and make sure that we have no spelling errors. And I misspelled the word physician. We're going to find it in the list. Click change. And then we can send the message here. And what I can do is I can see that the message has been sent and it has been successful. This send history is kept at the bottom and it will display after the send confirmation. This means that all future emails will continue to be added to this history list for this particular juror. If you click on the view link in the last column, you can see the entire email content from past emails. So this is the message that we just sent. Let's also show you how to send a text message. It is largely the same as emails, except you must keep your messages much shorter. Again, if the juror's cell and carrier information is on file, Appear will default that information for you. You're going to click on the Text Message tab after you've already selected your juror from the Find Juror area. And you're going to type in your message, and the character count will help keep your message to 160 characters or less. Unfortunately, the reply to address counts as characters in the message. So here you'll see that we have 12 characters left. It will give you a countdown so that you do not exceed the 160 characters. You also have spell check available here. I just typed in a short message just to contact the court at the earliest opportunity, the court phone number, and I can send the message. Again, we'll see that the result shows up in the history just as it does in the email messages. I can click View to see the entire content of the message that we just sent. And that's it. For more information, please visit www.voicemetrics.com.